Take one of these washers that it comes in. Alright, so I took the fly part off. Either way, so twist this back on. It's like a little bypass, basically. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how I feel about that right now. I really don't. Alright, so basically, I got this on, it's loose. I do have to tighten it up. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, we gotta tighten it up. And I might have to get some, no, actually be okay. So some people said that, I guess from this space, there's cracked, but I guess I have enough space there. So, let me finish tightening it up. So now we are going to put this, because I'm not using the hot water. I'm not close enough to the sink. So cap that off. And then we're going to attach this. Attaching it to there. Alright. Drop the water down. Turn it on. This is the whole setup. Alright, so I had to try it out a few times. Not personally, but you know. So I put some, supposed to be some pressing steel. They ain't pressing steel in that. Anyways, we're just gonna do the back part. I did the front. It shoots out like to the wall. So we're gonna do the back. And it takes a while, it takes like probably a few seconds for the little nozzle to get your back here to come down. But here goes the rear. Okay, so yeah, basically you see there's some minor adjustments. Gosh. But for the most part, it works. Just gotta practice just a little bit. But other than that, maybe an update on how exactly it feels. See y'all.